Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide your subscriptions on YouTube application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go to any browser you're currently using and go to the URL, type youtube.com and hit the enter button. So here, of course, you'd like to go to your channel by clicking at your icon at the top right corner. Then click at your channel. Of course, that will take you into your channel, but for me, as you can see here, I have no subscribers. That's why the option of hiding subscriber will not appear for me. But in this video, I'm going to show you how or where you can find this like hide subscribers option. So all you need to do, just go and hit the icon at the top right corner, click at YouTube Studio, or you can just go here to your channel, then click at manage videos. Here, of course, you'll find every video that you uploaded on this channel. For me, I'm just uploading two. It's like here one short and one just a video for testing. Of course, you can edit your videos. You can do here on this YouTube Studio whatever you want with your videos. But for me, I'm just going to show you how to hide your subscribers. So all you need to do, just go here and click at settings at the bottom left corner. Then let's wait until it uploads. So here we would like to go and click at channel and then click at advanced settings. So if you scroll down a bit, you'll find this ender or you will find this between this automatic captions and advertisements. You will find an option here called hide subscribers count. So if you check that like that, of course not the advertisements, you will be able to hide your subscribers from other people, and the only person who will be able to see it is you. So as I said, for me, I have no subscribers. That's why I don't have the option available. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.